That's so unfortunate. And Danish was much too strong for me to survive that once I castle. That was like XQC versus David Pac-Man. Yeah. It's unfortunate to have that happen, but that's life. Let's take and go here. Still need to be a little bit careful how I play. I'm going to go F3, I think. Takes, I'm just going to take. I don't know, I take and then I take. I think I'm okay here, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I mean, even if I lose this last game, I've milked some rating, that is true. Wait. Oh, wait, he has... Wait, but I have this? No, wait, what am I doing? Yeah, I just lost my mind again. I didn't see the mate in one. Okay, I guess I just... Yeah, I'm gonna lose this game too. Just careless here in the last couple of games, I think. Let's just go here, I guess. We gotta move. There we go. Checkmate! Good game. Good